today's video is we're gonna have a review of this application called Waze and how it is really useful to all drivers, especially here in the United States, right, Vanya?
That's right.
What can you say about it?
Well, if you do any kind of driving and you want to be helpful to other people, just like many other people want to be as well, so download the app called Waze. It lets you, it's pretty much Google Maps with a little bit better animation, and you're going to be able to see people. It's going to first let you set up alerts, like if there's a police officer hiding somewhere, or there's a police officer pulled somebody over, if there's like a accident ahead or something, bad weather or whatever. And when you put up those alerts on the map, other people who are passing through that same area, same spot, will be able to know as well of those alerts, and obviously be helping each other out. And what makes it great is that there's thousands and thousands and thousands of people using the app, doing that same thing every day. So when all those things come together, it becomes very, very handy when you're traveling, especially. I'd say mostly on highways than anywhere else. Primarily on highways, yeah. But of course, it can be useful in cities as well. And I love this app. It's a great app, great accessory, costs nothing, and it's the way to go.
And you mentioned something about your experience wherein you keeping alert or like putting alerts on Waze, and one time you wake up that you have 12 notification or thumbs up.
Yeah, so whenever you put up a notification, if you click here, like this little icon button right there, right? See that?
Mm-hmm.
And then you click on that, go back. You're going to be able to set, as soon as you hit that button, whatever spot you are at the second you hit that button, is going to notify everybody on that spot.
Mm-hmm.
Even if you're still debating what to notify, it's going to put it back there. And you can notify them for traffic, police, crashes, hazards on the road, gas prices, map chat, etc. All other stuff as well. And then when people pass through that, and then they're using Waze as well, and they notice that, notification and help them out, they'll tap on that, alert, right? Look here. They'll tap on that, and they'll give you like a thumbs up. I would give this guy a thumbs up, but there's nothing there, so I'm not giving the guy a thumbs up. But eventually, when you give nobody a thumbs up, that alert goes away, because Waze sees that nobody acknowledged that was actually a real alert. And that's it, yeah. So I had a whole bunch. I used to drive a lot, and I gave a lot of alerts on the road. And I would wake up, I would go to sleep, wake up in the morning with like 16 people gave you a thumbs up on your alert. And it was a really good feeling. So it's one of those things where you're helping the community out by A, help them get to their destination safer, B, save them money from getting tickets, and C, make them have more confidence in the app that they're using. Yeah. So.
All right. Well, thank you for that, Mr. Gurdienko.
You're welcome.
And now we're going to Richmond, Virginia, the capital city of the states. State. And you can see the view. Actually, mostly it's raining. So.
Looks like the hills of Batangas.
Yeah, true.